This is Jeremias double-wall chimney pipe that can be cut to length. This provides dramatic flexibility when installing in the field. Determine the finished installed length required and add 2.2 inches to account for pipe engagement. The male end of the pipe is the part that will be removed. Measure and mark the pipe. Use an angle grinder to cut the outer jacket. A knife can be used to cut the insulation. Remove and dispose of excess material. Slide the exposed inner pipe back into the chimney section. Measure and mark to remove the same length from the male end of the inner. Cut and de-burr with an angle grinder. Reposition so the pipe segments and insulation are flush on the outlet end. Reference the installation manual for instructions on assembling the joint. Thank you for watching this Jeremias Exhaust Systems video.